Crazy Joe here with Big Dog Jimmy. We have a huge announcement that we found out about. There's an article, there'll be a link either in the description or comment section down below. So it is about Windows 10. A huge, major, gigantic update is coming in August 2016 on August 2nd. It is a huge update. It is going to be very interesting to see how it turns out and all the developments that are going to be coming along the way through the days, weeks, months, and years ahead for Windows 10. It is being said that this will be that this is it. There will not be a Windows 11, 12, 15, 21, 1059, 200,000, and 5,500 million. You know what I mean? This is Windows 10 and that's it. There will be updates that will be happening to the operating system over time. This is the end of the line. They will not be doing a Windows 11 is what Microsoft is saying the plans are, is that instead they will just be doing steady upgrades to it. What is going to be taking place on August 2nd from what this says here, and it's huge. It is a big ass upgrade. We have the first anniversary update on August 2nd will give users a slew of updated tools for browsing, gaming, and security. It says it has an update for Microsoft Edge, which I don't really use. I might actually start using that. And then we got Xbox One, Cortana. Cortana, I never use it. I might end up using it sometime, but I don't use it right now. So it's just a program on my computer that I do not, never have used yet, because I just type everything in. Maybe I'll just start talking to my computer. Windows Defender, I do like that app though, that program. I do use that frequently. So anyway, so Microsoft Edge, it says browser will be updated, use less memory power. There will also better features people with disabilities, such as high contrast mode, screen reader. First time ever users can also be use biometrics through Windows Hello to authenticate identities on certain websites. So that's pretty interesting stuff there. Um, Though the screen reader, I think, is good for people who need it. You know what I mean? I like to read. Maybe it'd be kind of cool sometimes to have a screen reader, but other times like, I don't have to. Don't read the ads on the side and this and that and blah, blah, blah. So it depends on how they've changed through the years. A high contrast mode sounds kind of pretty cool, and then the biometrics for Windows Hello identity thing for websites. That's interesting. Make it more secure. Like, what is it? Take a shot of your face right there, or your fucking hand up, or like giving a thumbs up, or like two fingers, or peace sign, or something like. What does it do? Gonna read your eye retina? Like what is it? The duck face to it, and then it'll let you purchase something on their website. I don't know. It'll be interesting to see what kind of things happen with that. You think it's gonna want you to authenticate by mooning it? Really, Big Dog Jimmy? You think they're gonna want you to authenticate it by showing your buttocks? I don't think so. I don't think they're gonna want people to show their ass to authenticate that it's them. It's or show a boob or a man boob. Oh, come on, Big Dog Jimmy. No, I really doubt that. For the Xbox One, it says buy a game once and play it on a console or Windows 10 computer with shared gaming progresses. Um, I thought you already could do that. Maybe I'm wrong on that. I don't know. So I have to look into that. Students, college students, they can save $300 if they buy an Xbox One. And well, then that's free, isn't it? Well, all Surface as well. I gotta buy a Surface and an Xbox One to get that $300 off when you buy them together before August 14th. Strategically, Microsoft timed new smaller Xbox One S launch August. In August, starting at 300. So that could you basically get an Xbox One for free, and you're buying the Surface. Sorry, or Surface. What's up, Big Dog Jimmy? Oh, I'm not twitching and freaking out. What was that I just did? I don't know. Just some weird, crazy stuff. So the Cortana, the virtual assistant, is getting smarter. It says interesting. I wonder what it means by smarter. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know. I guess it's like kind of stupid. I guess Cortana's not like that intelligent right now, and it's gonna get smarter. Well, the IQ is gonna go from 81 to 91. I don't know. From 110 to 150. I don't know what it means by that it's gonna get smarter. And then according to Microsoft, features that help program, save, recall, synchronize data across devices, including for the first time, the Xbox. So Cortana is going to be able to be you're going to be able to use Cortana on Xbox. That's interesting from what it sounds like to me. I don't know if it's already on there because I don't use an Xbox because of my hands right now. At some point I might get into gaming, but I don't know. Right now it's kind of difficult with my hands. So Windows Defender, it says for that, users will have the ability to schedule automatic periodic anti-malware scans on their computer and receive reports about threats. I thought you could already do that. I thought maybe it's an older model that I'm thinking of, or a different program that allows you to do that. So it's kind of interesting there on that. Oobly doobly doobly. Microsoft says Windows 10 is the company's most successful version of Windows. It now runs on more than 350 million devices. Well, yeah, it's successful because everybody's downloaded it. But to be honest, I actually liked Windows 7 better than I like Windows 10, or I liked 8, to be honest. I liked the way that it was. I went to 8, and then once I was on 8, I kind of got used to it. I was like, well, it's free. I'll go up to Windows 10 since it's free. And then I was like, this is alright. It's not that bad. I do like it, but I actually like the simplicity and the format style of Windows 7 better than 10. In all honesty, I'm not going to lie and be like, I love Windows 10. It's the best thing in the world. I'm in love with Windows 10. Oh my God, yeah. So Big Dog Jimmy, no, I do not talk like that. When I'm going to bed, that I'm in love with Windows 10. I am not. I like Windows 7 better. I kind of miss my laptop that I used to have that had Windows 7, but hey, whatever. So, anyways, the new version got its first huge update a few months ago, a few months after launching last year, which I remember the updates. It was kind of like, what's going on? It ran smoother once those updates did go into effect. So I'm hoping that it works out. The other thing is that you can still get a free upgrade to Windows 10 if you have 7 or 8.1 Windows and you want to move up to 10. You don't want to stick with 7 or 8.1. You can still get it for free. Windows 10, that is, until July 29th. July 29th is the deadline to get a free upgrade of Windows 10. That's pretty interesting stuff there that they made sure to point that out. I think it's all good stuff. I am looking forward to Windows to see what the difference is with Windows 10, with that update, with the big updates coming, and then where it goes from here. There is a video that was pretty cool that they had about Windows, about Windows 10 virtual reality, a Microsoft version of Windows for VR, virtual reality. That is going to be very intense and interesting. I'm going to wait for this freaking ad to play through that I can't skip. Got 5 more seconds until we can get into the whole virtual reality thing. So with that, the virtual reality. It looks pretty sweet, actually. I'm like, wow, gives me the goosebumps and chills that you know, Windows, Microsoft's making Windows for virtual reality. It's pretty crazy. Like, you can see the lady pushing this up. Microsoft wants its hologram technology to be common, to be as common as its Windows operating system. That's pretty crazy. That is a huge thing there. Uh, there are things that I would like about the virtual reality, and then there's things I don't like about it, which I'll get into another time. It's going to be called Windows Holographic, which is a pretty cool name. It has a nice ring to it. The operating system will be standard for future Microsoft devices. That's pretty intense that it will be standard for future Microsoft operating systems, from virtual reality headsets to computers to accessories. You know, what was I saying there? The devices will talk to each other. So, like, allowing people from around the world to work together in virtual reality. So, you could be, I could be here where I am in the Northeast in the US, and then you could be over in China or Russia, or you could be in Japan, or you could be in Australia, you could be in Brazil, you could be like anywhere, and Antarctic, whatever, and we could work together online in virtual reality, which would be pretty awesome. That's like something I would like, because it opens things up more, which is pretty insane. Now, no word yet. I don't miss that. No word yet on when the operating system will be ready. So that's pretty intense. But analysts say demand for virtual reality headsets is growing, and they believe that there will be an estimated demand will reach over 38 million devices in 4 years. I think it's going to be more than that, to be honest. I would not be surprised. Loud. Go from muted to unmuted, like, so that's that about it all. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. I would appreciate it. You to support the channel by hitting that like button. If you're new to the channel and you enjoyed this video here with Crazy Joe and Big Dog G-Man, Crazy Joe's Galaxy, hit that subscribe button here for content constantly. You never know how many videos in a day will pop up. Sometimes there'll be none in a day. Sometimes there'll be 20 in a day. It all depends on what's going on, and what's happening in our life here on Crazy Joe's Galaxy. So I appreciate you watching. If you have any comment you want to leave down below about anything I said in the video, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.